These letters make the V sound. The letter V by itself, making the V sound, or the letters V and E together, making the V sound. Let's have a look at some real words containing the V sound. Special friends, V. Fred talk, V. Have. Special friends are Fred talk, harvest, harvest, harvest. With this one, you might think that the special friends is the I sound, g-I-v. But actually, give is not a word, is it? The special friends in this word are v. Fred talk, g-I-v, give. Similar to the last one, give, this one, you might expect it to be the I sound, but in fact it's the V sound that makes special friends, along with or. Fred talk, f, or, g, I, v, forgive, forgive. Special friends, v. Fred talk, p, o, z, it, iv, positive, positive. Now let's have a look at some alien words containing the v sound. Special friends, ow and v. Fred talk, p, l, ow, v, plough. Special friends, sh and oo and v. Fred talk, sh, oov, shuv. Special friends, ch and r and v. Fred talk, ch, arv, charv. Special friends, qu and a and v. Fred talk, qu, a, v, quave.